So if you are checking out this foldable dog ramp, I just wanted to show you some things about it to help you decide if you want to grab one. Now, let me just say the brand sent this to me to test out and try. It is perfect for me as I have two smaller dogs. But some of the things that I really like about it is the fact that it does have this really nice handle on it, so you can carry this anywhere you need to go. This is not only great to use in the bedroom, but if you have a couch or even a vehicle to help your dogs get on, this is perfect. It only weighs about 6 pounds, so it's not very heavy to carry at all. It is made out of wood. And then you're also going to notice that it has this carpet on here that is that non-slip carpet, so you don't have to worry about your pet sliding around. This would be even nice for puppies. So it does have little locks on here too, so that you can just unlock when you're ready to use it. There are 4 different adjustable heights. You're going to see it here in the back, like that easel style base on it. So then you're just going to put it in whatever height it is you need. And then right here on the side, you're going to lock it into place. This way it doesn't fold up or anything. And it's got locks on both sides. So one there and then one here on the other side. Up, up. You can see, piece of cake for her. Come over here. Come. Good girl. Come. Come on. Just like that. Up she goes. Just like that. Come on. She's got it down. Come on. This would be great too if you have an elderly dog or a dog that's got like hip and joint issues. And this will hold up to 50 pounds. I love the fact that you can travel with this, so she'll be able to easily get up in my car. Come, come. Good girl. One more time. Come on. Come on. Good girl. You can see it only took her a few seconds to learn how to use it. If you're looking for a very portable, very durable dog ramp, we definitely recommend this one.